Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find the missing kid in 99 Nights in the Forest. So it says missing dino kid, and there will be like a location. You can also hear the kid crying. Usually they are like in the cave, kind of surrounded by wolves, or bears. So you need a weapon for it. So here I'm just going to walk to where the cave is. I'm really bad at directions, so I do have to keep the map open while I'm walking. And I think we're almost there. Yes. Okay. You see, there's wolves using like the collar. You kind of have to shoot at them until they are gone. Which I am trying to do right now. Oh my gosh. I need to recharge. Okay, it's still recharging. So you're just going to want to shoot them from up here. Oh, and don't fall like I did. Okay, like this. And I'm just going to shoot the other one here, waiting for my gun to recharge again. You can also get the wolf pet here while you're at it, so. Perfect. Okay. Now, to unlock the door, there should be a key. Oh, okay. I guess not on this one, but sometimes there's a key. And then you can also get something from here. I'm just going to open the chest. Okay, cool. Let me just take that. And then as you can see, there's the missing child. I'm just going to put him in the sack. And I'm just going to bring him back to my camp. Just going to bring my wolf pelt as well. Is something... Oh, I ate it. Why did I do that? Okay. And I'm just going to go back to my campfire. And I'm just going to bring him out of my sack. And that's it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.